Power just came back or your oven reset? Let's quickly set the correct time on your Siemens HB43S540E oven in under 2 minutes. Step 1. Wake the control panel. Tap any button to activate the screen. The time display will start blinking if it's not already set. Step 2. Enter time setting mode. If the time isn't blinking, press the clock icon or the I button, depending on your model, to enter time setting mode. Step 3. Adjust the hours. Use the plus or minus buttons to set the correct hour. Confirm by pressing the clock or confirm button again. Step 4. Adjust the minutes. Repeat the same with minutes using the plus or minus buttons. Confirm once more to save. Note: if your oven has a rotary dial, turn it to adjust instead of pressing buttons. Done. Your Siemens oven is now synced with the right time. Subscribe for more quick appliance guides.